Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, November 18th. So, typical Monday, we have very little news going on. 10 a.m., we have FOMC member Goolsby speaking, which is a low impact item. 10 o'clock also has the housing market index, also a low impact item. And then we have the G20 meetings that are going on all day. It's only day one of them. And that's pretty much it. We do have TIC, or the tick long-term purchases, which is bond purchases, 4 p.m. Again, a low impact item. So really nothing to pay any attention to, be perfectly honest. So moving on. Looking at the daily chart, Friday was an ugly, ugly day. As you can see here, we are basically opening where we close, kind of a little doji looking thing here. To the open, we are slightly above all the moving averages, which is bullish still. However, we are definitely in danger of falling down below the 20-day moving average. This is the 50. I think that's the 200 moving average. So, if we do move down below that, it starts getting ugly. It really doesn't get ugly until we get below the 50-day. That's the 50-day right there. We get below the 50-day, it's starting to get, maybe we're getting ready to break trend. Maybe the uptrend is over. So we'll have to wait and see. We've got some trend lines down here. A lot of volume just below where price is currently at. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Bull flag, our pennant, it was broken on Friday. We'll have to wait and see if they come back up into this consolidation band. Volume was heavy on Friday, and not super heavy, but greater than average. And so, again, this sort of makes me a little bit worried that maybe some panic selling is coming into play. Looking at the inventory was correlated, which is the way it's supposed to be. However, look at the magnitude here. Magnitude 34,000. That's a big negative number, 34,000. Now, we did have a big negative day, so they are correlated, but it does bother me that there is concerted selling, maybe not panic selling, but certainly getting close to panic selling. Looking at the overnight action intraday, we got about 29 points overnight. That's a little bit above average, but not significantly. Where do we have support and resistance? So we've got resistance somewhere in the neighborhood of 59.2750, 59.42. Of course, the whole number at 59.50. We break above that, we'll probably rotate maybe all the way back up to 6,000. I don't know if we can get that much muscle in it, but there's definitely some resistance up there, 59.90. What about support? If we turn over and start to go down, we're already below 5,900, but we get going to the downside, 58.73. Whole number 58.50. Just below that, there's a whole bunch of stuff below 58.50, 58.47, 44, 41. We break that band, and we can probably going to come back into this 58.26 to 20 area. So there's what you've got going on for support and resistance. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 52.4. 52.4, slight positive bias for the historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.